Welcome. I'm thrilled that you're here. My name is Mark Lassoff, and I am the author and instructor of the Become a Certified Web Developer program. Welcome to our all-new program for 2023 and 2024. We've re-engineered 2023 with all new videos, lab activities, and much more. You'll still earn certifications as you progress through the program, but we've tweaked our certification program a bit. An essential part of any learning program is getting questions answered and receiving feedback on your work. With this brand new iteration of our course, I wanted to improve how we communicate and ensure that you get your questions answered more quickly and more thoroughly. Developers use numerous tools to create applications and to test and deploy their work. In order to be a successful developer, not only do you have to learn the languages and libraries, but the tools.
Hi, my name is Josh Nussbaum, and welcome to the Visual Studio Code Workshop. VS Code is an integrated
Hello, and welcome to the GitHub Fundamentals Workshop. My name is Spencer Reynolds, and I'm an online developer with a bachelor's degree from the University of Texas at Dallas. In this workshop,
Hello and welcome to HTML5 Foundations. My name is Mark and I'm the instructor for this course. I'm going to be talking about the one thing that led to the growth of the World Wide Web when it was introduced in the 90s. Known as lists of data coming up. In this video, we're going to data structure the array. One of the really nice things about HTML is it has a common document structure. Once you learn this, it's used for every website you're ever going to make. If you look at the source code section, we're going to be talking about arrays. Now, arrays are just like lists. It's a variable that actually holds several different items instead of a single value. So let's start by defining an array. There's a couple of ways to do this, actually. Hello and welcome back to JavaScript for App Development. Today we're going to be looking specifically at strings and two new features. The first is multi-line strings, and the second is to get you to create your first HTML5 page. Now, don't worry if you don't understand some of the code that we write. We'll explain all that in later videos. For right now, I just want you to get used to the idea of creating actual pages and displaying the result in the web. Hello, I'm Mark Lassoff from LearnToProgram.tv. I wanted to thank you for taking one of our courses and give you some information about our company.